Hi guys, Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a big electric scooter from Bird. So this is the Bird Flex, which is Bird's electric scooter. So this thing, it's pretty big. It was very heavy as well. So it can go 18 miles an hour. It also has a 15-mile range. So this is how it looks. This is the color we got it in. And there's a lot of things that makes the scooter very better than the others that are available. So this is the front of the box. Okay, this is heavy. This is the side. This is the back of the box. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's built to ride, has a shock in the front, which is really nice. Has a brake up here, and there's also a mini screen. So let's get unboxing. Okay, it says enjoy the ride. Let's go see. So this is how it opens. It comes with these two screws. I'll put that there. From one out, from two out. Okay. Interesting. So from the looks, it is very heavy. So I'll take this out and I'll come back to you guys. Here's a big tire. So the battery's at the bottom. That's why it was very heavy. And the motor is also there. So this is how it looks. Here's how the stand is. So yeah, this is a stand. So we're gonna put this on. This is the tire. So you can see over here, this is where the battery is. This is also the motor. Let me just flip this onto the stand. There we go. I hope you guys can see it better a bit. This is, so we're gonna put this like that. So this is how it folds and unfolds, like so. Now it's up here for sure. Now if you want to unfold it, we're just gonna, wow, that is tight. Pull this up, put it down, watch your head, put it down, and then first we have to assemble this, and it came with this paper, and I gotta be careful so the wires don't rip. Okay, let's see. Okay, access advanced features. It's official. This Bird is yours. That's what it says, Bird Flex. This tells you how to download the app, enable Bluetooth, and pair it with the scooter. So now here is the instruction manual. Now there should be a box which includes all the accessories for it. Was there a box? Let's see. So over here is the instruction manual, which I got from the paper. So this also comes with a charger and plug in a separate box, which we did not get for this. Okay, so remove the packaging and accessories. So we're gonna get this. So this is the bike symbol. So over here is the brake, and let's see. From here. Over here, if you guys can see, is the screen right here. On this side is your go button. Press to turn on, long press to turn off. Single click to turn on and off the light. So there's also a light right here. It's light. Once if you're done and you want to store it away, you click all the way down. And then you come here. You flip it open. It's gonna click. So then you take it like so, but it's very heavy because of the big battery, and there's also a motor over here. The brake is brake for the back. There's also a light here, So let's see how this is turned on. Okay, let's go. We're gonna long press. So this is a really nice scooter for anybody who was interested in one. Highly recommend it. So thank you guys for watching our video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. You might hit the bell icon. Bye.